Yeah. Hello everyone. My name is Dr. Rathina Kumar. Next, we are going to see the concept of autonomous AI agents. Okay. First one, what is mean by an autonomous AI agents? Autonomous AI agents are intelligent systems capable of understanding an objective, breaking it down into a sequence of tasks and executing them independently. Unlike the traditional AI that only generate a text or respond to a single prompts. These agent perceives their environment, access external tools, and adopt their strategies without continuous human supervision. So what are the core capabilities of an autonomous AI agents are perceptions, reasoning, tool usage, then adaptation. Yeah. Next, we are going to see how machine learn from mistakes to create image, text, and music. Can a machine learn creativity? Yes. These are all the answers for an autonomous AI agents. Uh, Empathize. What are the problems we face? Too many repetitive tasks, information overload, lack of personalization. So, definition. How autonomous AI agents, the AI agents that perceive environment, make decisions, act independently, and learn continuously. These are the points that I have already discussed. If we want to learn depthly, what is meant by a perception? Gathering and analyzing the data from their environment or enterprise systems. What is meant by reasoning? Breaking down a complex goal into a actionable subtask and anticipating the outcome. This is an example for a reasoning. Then what are the tool usage? Interacting with API, application programming interfaces, databases, softwares, and the web to complete a task. For an example, booking the flight, sending an emails. So these are all the simple examples. So finally, what is meant by an adaptation? Continuously learning from the feedback and adjusting decisions in a real time. Yeah, next we are going to see what is generative AI. What is generative AI? It create a text, image, code, and learn patterns from the data. Example, chatbot, image generator. These are all the things we have discussed so many times. How AI agent works? First, it observes, that is called as an input. Then it takes the decision, then thinking, then act, and learn, the improve. Here below, I'm showing the left side. If you see, I'm showing the diagram for this one. Idea stage. Where can we use AI agents? For an example, smart assistants, healthcare bots, personal tutors, automated businesses. Yeah, travel AI agent. This is a case study. Plan a 3-day trip to Goa. For an example, what is a AI agent action? How it acts? First, find flights, then book hotels, create itinerary, then suggest places. Yeah. So before that, before coming to the quiz, what are some common architecture of autonomous AI agents? Autonomous agents typically consist of a brain powered by large language models paired with specific orchestration components. So I'm going to list out those components. Memory, planning, tools. So what is meant by a memory? It retains context, past interactions, and historical data to inform a future decision. Then what is meant by a planning? Utilizing the reasoning frameworks to map out how to achieve a goal. So that is called as a planning. So what are mean the tools? Interfaces that allow the agent to read files, run codes, or browse the internets. The next, we are going to see some of the real world applications of the autonomous agents. I'm going to list out some of the applications. For an example, first one is customer service. For an example, managing end-to-end user issues, from answering technical questions to processing returns and updating the delivery statuses. The second one is financing and outing. For an example, flagging missing invoices, executing trade based on market data, and reconciling accounts. Third one is software engineering, writing, testing, and debugging code repositories independently across multiple files. The last one is personal assistance, managing the entire calendars, booking, uh, traveling, and organizing digital workflows. Thank you.